Friends, colleagues, and dreamers, look at your hands. Look at the device you are holding. We live in a world where we are more connected than ever, yet often, we feel isolated behind a wall of silence. For many of us, that wall is built of broken sentences, forgotten vocabulary, and the crushing fear of judgment. Today, I am not here to give you a grammar lesson. I am here to tell you to tear down that wall. The lie we believe. We have been taught that speaking English is about perfection. We believe that if we make a mistake, we are incompetent. Let me be clear. That is a lie. Fluency is not about speaking like a native speaker from London or New York. Fluency is the ability to connect your heart to your mouth. It is the courage to bridge the gap between what you know and what you say. The power of messy practice. Why are you waiting to speak? Are you waiting for the perfect moment? For the perfect vocabulary? That moment will never come. You must start today, right now, with the messy, imperfect words you have. Imagine trying to learn to swim by reading a book. Ridiculous, right? Yet that is how you are treating English. You are studying rules instead of diving in. Speak to yourself. Talk to your reflection. Tell your mirror about your day. Narrate your life. While cooking, say, I am chopping onions. It sounds silly, but it makes English real. Record and listen. Record yourself on your phone for 1 minute. It will feel painful to listen to at first, but it is the fastest way to hear your own growth. The emotional transformation. Learning to speak English is a journey of self-love. Every time you open your mouth to speak, despite your nerves, you are saying, my voice matters. My ideas are worth sharing. Do not compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Your journey is unique. Your new mantra. Mistakes are moments. From this day forward, when you make a mistake, do not feel shame. Feel pride. Why? Because a mistake means you were trying. A mistake means you were fighting. A mistake means you are one step closer to mastery. Those who never speak never make mistakes, but they also never grow. Conclusion. The world is waiting. English is the key to a door you cannot yet see. It is the key to new friendships, better opportunities, and a wider world. So shake off the fear. Dust yourself off. Speak loudly. Speak confidently. And speak from your heart. You have the power. Now use your voice. Key takeaways for development. Consistency, intensity. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Think in English. Stop translating. Stop your inner voice from using your native language. Imitation. Shadowing. Listen to native speakers and repeat immediately, mimicking their tone and speed. Focus on communication, not rules. If the other person understands you, you have succeeded.